Ever wondered how we see the world compared to, say, a cat, an eagle, or even a shrimp? Our human eyes are incredible, but the animal kingdom has some truly mind-blowing visual abilities that put ours to shame. But before we dive into this eye-opening journey, do me a quick favor and hit that subscribe button. It really helps the channel grow, and trust me, you won't want to miss what's coming next. Alright, let's start with something we're all familiar with, our furry feline friends. You know how your cat's eyes seem to glow in the dark? That's because they have a special reflective layer called the tapetum lucidum. It acts like a mirror, bouncing light back through the retina, which basically gives their photoreceptors a second chance to catch every last bit of light. This makes their night vision about 6 to 8 times better than ours. So while you're stumbling around for a midnight snack, your cat is navigating the dark with the clarity of a super spy. The trade-off? Their color vision isn't as vibrant as ours. They mostly see the world in shades of blue and yellow, with reds and greens looking more like browns and grays. Now let's take to the skies with the undisputed king of vision, the eagle. An eagle's eyesight is legendary for a reason. It's estimated to be 4 to 8 times stronger than the average humans. Imagine standing on top of a 10-story building and being able to spot an ant crawling on the sidewalk below. That's eagle vision. They have a much higher density of photoreceptor cells in their retinas, and 2 foci, or centers of focus, compared to our 1. This allows them to have both a wide-angle view and a magnified telephoto view at the same time. They can be scanning the horizon for prey and, in the same instant, be locked onto a tiny rabbit miles away. We need binoculars to do what they do naturally. But what if I told you the most complex eyes on the planet belong to a creature from the deep? Meet the mantis shrimp. This small, colorful crustacean has the most sophisticated visual system ever discovered. While we have 3 types of color-receptive cones for red, green, and blue, the mantis shrimp has between 12 and 16. They can see colors we can't even imagine. On top of that, they can see polarized light, perceiving it in a way no other animal can. Each of their eyes is mounted on a stalk and can move independently, and each eye has trinocular vision, meaning it has 3 separate regions that can perceive depth and track objects on their own. It's like having 6 eyes in 2. From the glowing eyes of a cat in the dark to the telescopic sight of an eagle, and the psychedelic world of the mantis shrimp, it's clear that our human vision, as amazing as it is just one way of seeing the world. Each creature's eyes are perfectly adapted for its survival. It really makes you wonder what else is out there unseen by our limited human eyes. Maybe the real question isn't how well we see, but how much we are blind to. If you found that as fascinating as I did, please show some love by liking the video, dropping a comment with your favorite animal eye fact, and if you haven't already, hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss